Please continue from this page. Borrowers.
Borrowers including special mention accounts SMA 0, 1 and 2 with credit exposures having aggregate fund-based and non-fund-based exposure of rupees 50 million and above have to be reported on CRI LC platform.
Next.
Bank has given overdraft to a customer. The account has become NPA. In the meantime, while the FDR of the customer has matured, which right bank can exercise to adjust the overdraft? Write-off, set-off.
It is known as write-off set-off. Yeah, continue. The RBI.
The RBI has established the Centralized Receipt and Processing Center (CRPC) at Chandigarh to receive the complaints filed under the Integrated Ombudsman Scheme and process them. The complaints under the scheme made online shall be registered on the portal.
Portal https cms.rbi.org.in. That is nowadays for making, say, the complaints, only one this thing. Earlier we were having different ombudsmans. Now only one ombudsman. The complaints will go to Chandigarh. That Chandigarh office will distribute the complaints to respective offices and follow it up. Yeah. Now, next question. As part of their
ongoing due diligence on bank accounts, banks are required to periodically update KYC records. KYC is required to be done at least every 2 years for high-risk customer, at least every 8 years for medium-risk customer, and every 10 years for low-risk customers.
Next one.
Debt equity ratio, total indebtedness ratio, and debt service coverage ratio.
Total indebtedness. Indebtedness means
total indebtedness ratio and debt service ratio coverage. The debt service coverage ratio are solvency ratios.
Continue.
Present repo rate.
Under integrated
ombudsman scheme, the ombudsman shall have the power to provide a compensation up to rupees 6.20 lakh. Up to rupees 20 lakh, in addition to up to rupees 1 lakh for the loss of the complainant's time, expenses incurred, and for harassment, anguish suffered.
That is 20 lakhs. Next. Yeah, continue.
Present repo rate is 6.50%.
Continue.
Statutory liquidity ratio is defined in Section 24 of the Banking Regulation Act.
Yeah, in Section 24 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Continue. Capital conservation.
The capital conservation buffer, CCB, is designed to ensure that banks build up capital buffers during normal times, that is, outside periods of stress, which can be drawn down as losses are incurred during a stressed period. With effect from October 1, 2021, the CCB is 2.50%.
Continue.
RBI has asked bank customers to update their KYC by furnishing a fresh KYC or re-KYC. Customers can furnish updated or revised addresses through non-face-to-face channels when there is only an address change. The banks must undertake the verification of the updated addresses within 2 months of submission of the revised address.
Continue.
Fraud reporting to Financial Intelligence Unit. That is to be done 7th of the succeeding month.
Next.
For cases of detection of counterfeit notes of 5 or more pieces in a single transaction, FIR should be lodged with the nodal police station or police authorities. A copy of the FIR shall be sent to the forged counterfeit banknote vigilance cell at the HO of the bank.
Good. Next one.
PM Swanidhi has been formulated by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The scheme has been extended from March 2022 to December 2024.
Okay. Continue.
The branch level customer service committee meetings should be held on 15th of every month.
Okay. Continue.
The commission payable to banks on government transactions is rupees 40 in case of receipts in physical mode and rupees 9 in case of e-mode.
Okay. Continue.
Cash remittance rupees 50 lakh, no armed guard.
So up to 50 lakhs, there is no need for any armed guard. That may be for Union Bank only. I'm not sure. Please check your bank circulars. Continue.
Cash remittance above rupees 50 lakh, armed guard required.
Okay.
Women professional scheme maximum limit is rupees 50 lakh.
Good. Next.
No thrust area, cement.
Good. Next.
For housing loan, income up to rupees 3 lakh, sustenance is rupees 45%.
They must have 45% balance. Next. Debit card.
Debit card for blind, sparsh.
I don't know what it is. Sparsh. Next. For mortgage.
For mortgage loan, age limit is 18 to 75 years.
Beyond 75, one cannot take loan. Before 18, one cannot take loan as mortgage loan. Continue.
Digital cash eligibility, 50% of net pension.
Good. Next.
Next, IRR, above 25 crore and 5 years and above.
Okay. Next.
Union Nari Shakti.
I think this is only for Union Bank. Still read
Yes.
it. Still read it.
Union Nari Shakti maximum limit is rupees 10 lakh to rupees 10 crore.
Next one.
TOL TNW trade account. That is 5:1.
Next one.
FISDA app for investing in mutual funds.
It must be the app of our Union Bank. So thank you. Thank you so much.